How to fix can't log into Pinterest error. Let's get started. First up, launch your Pinterest app, then head towards the login page. Double check your email and password to ensure they are correct. Make sure your caps lock is off and there are no extra spaces. If you have forgotten your password or can't log in, reset your password. Go ahead and click on the option of login, then forget your password. Provide the details, email, username, or email address that is linked with your account. You will be receiving code in the email address. You have to type in that code, and with that you will be able to reset the password. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Pinterest app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Pinterest. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If you are using VPN or proxy, disable it as it may interfere with your ability to log into Pinterest. If the login issue persists, try login in using a different browser or device to determine if the problem is browser or device specific. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly resolve login issues on Pinterest. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.